In its first 7 years on the market, the GDI engine grew from insignificant to powering 38% of all light vehicles sold. That makes the GDI not only the hottest selling engine, but also the hottest operating gasoline engine. New vehicles with GDI engines have seen significant performance losses in as early as 3,000 miles. A professional maintenance service is the only way to keep GDI engines at their best. The BG GDI fuel air induction service process includes steps that must happen at the right place, at the right time. Using specialized equipment, a technician removes injector and combustion chamber deposits through the fuel rail and dissolves deposits in hard-to-reach places in the intake. Following the BG GDI fuel air induction service, you can expect to notice improvement in performance, an increase in efficiency, and a decrease in harmful emissions. Keep your GDI engine performance and efficiency by getting the right service at the right time. A BG GDI fuel air induction service every 15,000 miles.